News coming in right now. In the case of disturbance in the front of Indian High Commission in London, the Ministry of Home Affairs has ordered Delhi police to investigate and asked to register an FIR on receipt of a report from the Ministry of External Affairs on the incident that took place at the High Commission of India, London on the 19th of March. The Ministry of Home Affairs has now asked the Delhi police to take appropriate legal action. Taking cognizance of the report, now the Delhi police has registered a case under appropriate sections of the IPC, UAPA and PDPP Act, and the special cell has taken up the investigation of the incident as it involves illegal activities by certain persons holding Indian citizenship abroad. In fact, that is why the Delhi police has now registered a case in the matter of the Khalistani disturbance that was created outside the Indian High Commission in London on the 19th of March. This after it received orders from the Ministry of Home Affairs. This is when the MEA, in fact, shared an incident report with the MHA. Milan, my colleague, is joining me over the phone line right now. Milan, give us more details as to what the Delhi police will be investigating.
Well, follow me. This is the incident of 19th March. Of course, the Home Ministry and whatever has happened in London with regards to the offices of the Indian Embassy has said that in a report, the Delhi police has been told to register this FIR in this particular matter. Of course, whatever has happened in London with the High Commission of India, the case will perhaps be registered under the IPC sections, also of the UAPA and the PDPP sections as well. And the special cell has started their investigation. Of course, with this, the PDPP, which is the Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act, will also be part of this investigation. This report has now been received by the MEA, Ministry of External Affairs, and this particular decision to do an FIR is being taken after this. It's not gone down well with the Ministry of External Affairs, that in the way that lack of security in and around the Indian High Commission resulted in this defaming of the Indian national flag, and it's a very serious matter that the government has taken on record, Pauline.
Right. Milan, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. Key meet between the Indian mission and UK minister. Days after Khalistani mob went on a rampage in London, Indian High Commission met UK minister to discuss concerns over the security of the staff amid the ongoing Khalistani attacks. The vandalism by pro-Khalistan extremists at the Indian High Commission, in fact, was raised in the House of Commons on Thursday. British MPs demanded action against Khalistani hooligans and the safety of India's diplomatic staff, while Conservative Party MP Bob Blackman in fact called for a debate in Parliament to discuss steps to ban groups behind the violence. Opposition Labour Party MP Gareth Thomas asked the Leader of the House of Commons about the steps that are being taken to ensure that this behaviour is not repeated.
Right Honourable Lady will be aware of a protest that took place outside the Indian High Commission last Sunday, which turned violent, and staff working for the High Commission were injured there, and the Commission itself was vandalised. Now, I'm sure the whole House will agree that there should be no place in our country for such behaviour, and that the Indian High Commissioner and his staff should be able to go about their diplomatic duties without fear of such events happening. So can she tell the House what further steps the Home Office will take, working with the Metropolitan Police, to ensure that there is no repeat of such behaviour?